Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here and welcome to the second part of my gift bag. You may already have seen part one. If you haven't, I will leave the link in my description box which will take you to that video. So in today's project I am going to be decorating the gift bag. Now, one of the reasons why I've decided to create a gift bag is obviously to pop the journal inside, but also to show how versatile Amanda's kits are. So I was going to keep my first journal for myself, however, I've decided that I am going to give it as a gift to a very good friend of mine who does make crafts. However, she doesn't make any journals. So I'm going to gift her this journal and I hope she will like it. Anyway, without further ado, I'm going to get started on part two, the decor of the gift bag. So first of all, what I've decided is I'm going to cover the gift bag the same as I covered the outer cover of the journal with some brown paper. Okay, so I'm going to show you where I'm at. So we've stuck everything together. I've popped some brown paper on. I just want to keep it a little bit similar to the journal. I'm now popping some lace just around the top of the gift bag. So I'm just working my way around with my glue. So all I'm doing is just popping the glue along the top of my lace, and I'm just bringing that around the top of the bag. And what I'll do here is I'm just going to speed the camera up as I decorate the gift bag. Okay, so you would have seen me popping this lovely blue and white lace onto the top of the gift bag. I've also put the white netting around like I did on the journal. I've also popped it on the sides, and I've done the same on the back with the brown paper, the blue and white lace and the white netting, and again around the side. So back to the front of my gift bag. So what I've got is from the kit Amanda provided. So this is the French Chic collection. I will leave a link to Amanda's coffee shop and her channels in my description box below. I've decided that this is the papers that I want to pop onto the front. I think they are absolutely beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm popping one to the front of the bag and the other one onto the back of the bag. So I'm going to grab some glue and we'll get that done first. I'm just trying to have a little think which glue to use. I'm a bit concerned about using the Collal tacky glue in case it wrinkles the paper, so I think I'll opt for my glue stick. Popped a little piece of scrap paper down as this gets everywhere, and I'm just going to go around the edges first of all, and oops, pop my glue around. I think this is probably the best glue to use to save it wrinkling up, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Just put a couple of dabs along like so, and a few going down. Okay, so I'm just going to bring my gift bag in. I'm just moving my camera up a little bit so that you can see, and the idea is I'm just popping it where I'm going to leave a little bit of the white lace around the edges. I think that looks about right to me. Yeah. I'm just going to pop that down. So I'm just going to, that's the front stuck on, I'm just going to flip this over. Top tip, when you use a glue stick, remember to turn the scrap paper that you use, as the glue does tend to go over the scrap paper, and then it will end up on one of your projects. So just keep turning your paper around so it doesn't go on your project. Okay. So I'm going to line this up. It's a little bit harder to stick on top of the lace. So that's the back of the bag, and there is the front of the bag. Okay, so next I'm just having a little look around, see what I've got. Oh, come on, Lynn. Come on. I do like that, and that was what I preferred to have at the top. However, I don't have enough of this, because what I want to do is not just pop it at the front of the bag, I want it to go around the two sides and the back. So apart from, I think the rest of the stuff I have is gold. Let's have a look. Bring my box in here. No, that's gold. Don't have enough of that. I don't know how that's got in there. It should be in my ribbon box. That is a definite no. Oh dear. I need to sort this box out. I've got some lovely pins there. That would look probably fabulous. I've had these for years, but no, I'll keep those. Made those a while ago. Right, no, I think I'll give up with that one. And oh, wish I had more of that. Never mind. Right, I think they are a no. So I know I do have a load of these pearls. So I think what I'm going to do is just pop the pearls at the top of the bag. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to go with these. Okay, change of plan. I found some of these flat back pearls, which are just going to work fabulously along the top. So I'm going to stick those on. Going along my top like that. So that's a better idea. Glad I found those. I don't need any glue as they are already have a sticky back. So all I need to do is just pop those along the top, and that's solved like that. So I've already done them on the other side, which is my front side. So I just need a couple there, just pop them on. And the good thing is they just tear off, so they work absolutely perfectly. Right, okay, so that's the pearl stuck on to the top. Next I've got my string of pearls and I've got my little glue applicator. So I'm just going to pop the glue along the edge of this gorgeous paper with the lady on the piano. Okay, so I finished my bag now and I'm just going to pop it in to share it with you. So at the top of the bag, I punched some holes into the bag and I've popped some white cord through the top, and I've hidden that just underneath the lace at the top. I've then popped the lovely white and blue lace from the front to the back of the bag, and then I've layered some flat back pearls on top of the lace, and again I've taken them around the top of the bag. I then covered the white card of the bag with my brown paper, the same as I did with my journal, and then I used the lovely white lace netting. So it was this I used on my gift bag. I also used it on my journal. Then I've taken the gorgeous paper from the French Chic collection, and it is this beautiful lady sat there at the piano flipping through her music book, ready to play a beautiful piece of music. And what I've done there with the lady is I've popped some diamantes into her hair. She's got her hair lovely. It looks like a little loose sort of plait in her hair. Then I'm just bringing the bag a little bit closer. Just here I've popped a little tiny pearl to create the earring, and I've also popped two of the tiny pearls here to make a little bracelet, and they both are part of a matching set. And then I've popped this gorgeous little heart at the top of the bag there, and I've gone around the paper with the roundy pearls. I did eventually get them to stick. I was trying to use those at the top of the bag, but they just for some reason weren't sticking, so I had a second attempt and decided to use them around the edge of the beautiful lady. And then if I flip it over, I'm just going to flip it over, and I've carried everything through to the back, so the lace, the pearls, the brown paper and the lovely lace netting. The only thing I haven't done is pop the pearls on around the papers. I have put the bracelet and the little pearl earring and the lovely diamantes in her hair. I just want to leave the back as it is, as this is the front of the bag. I've already popped my journal inside there, and that just sits absolutely perfectly inside the bag. It's a lovely snug fit. That was the whole idea of creating the bag, to make a nice snug fit for the journal to fit inside. So yeah, there you go. There is my finished bag. I hope you have enjoyed my video, and I hope you like my gift bag. You don't just have to use it as a gift bag for a journal. You could put lots and lots of other stuff inside, absolutely loads. You could put some lovely crafty goodies, you could put sweeties, items of clothing would fit lovely in there, beautiful scarf and gloves, lots and lots of different things. So yeah, there you go. That's it for today. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you would consider subscribing to my channel, I would be really, really grateful for this. And yeah, thanks so much for joining me today. I will see you all on my next video. Happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take care, see you soon, and bye-bye for now.